Building with Climate, the Art of Passive Design. I am Fergawan, an architecture student from Terdulak University, and I'm here to present about this topic using Kampoong Guha as a study case. This topic, Building with Climate, here carries the meaning of concepting, designing, and constructing a building while fully respecting the surrounding environment and nature. Now, why is this topic urgent for Indonesia? Well, urban areas in Indonesia are heating up while the vegetation is declining. This raises the cooling loads of buildings and reduces outdoor comfort for pedestrians. In Palu, for example, ground surface temperature increased from 2070 to 2020, while vegetation density dropped between 2013 to 2020. This is the evidence that hardscape or man-made structure is replacing natural ground cover. Now, back to the study case. What is Kampoong Guha? Kampoong Guha is a mixed living, working, and learning complex located in Tangerang, Banten, Indonesia. Organized as a porous campus-like network of courts, walkways, and terraces. This building is designed by Realist Architecture Workshop with a green architecture concept. Then, how does the concept and the design work with climate? What are the core strategies? Here, the massing in this design favors north and south airflow and shields east and west sun exposure. Skylights here are integrated on the roofs to bring in daylight and simulates stack ventilation. And also this building captures rainwater for reuse purposes. The idea is that form and envelope do most of the comfort work so that services and utilities can stay simple and maintainable. Downstreaming can be abstract. What does it mean materially? This project used bamboo and straightforward connection with steel and concrete only used when necessary, so that local craftsmen can build, repair, and replicate this design. This strategy keeps costs predictable and also increases craftsmanship skills in the community. And then, what does downstreaming here means socially? This project doubles as a training place, library, workshop, and tours so that architectural methods and skills can be taught and spread to students, residents, and also builders. But then the next question arises. Does this strategy actually work, and is there a proof of it? The answer is yes. The sun exposure studies here shows that after the green architecture strategies were applied, daily sun exposure hours on major surfaces dropped substantially compared to the earlier condition. If this strategy works, can this be applied across Indonesia? Well, yes. Think of this as a toolkit for tropical lots, which prioritize cross ventilation, deep shading, daylighting with stack effect, and rainwater capture, which uses local material with simple, repeatable details so that communities can build and repair affordably. The knowledge is then downstreamed. What risks are found in this project planning, and how are they addressed? In this project, they discovered three problems. First one is bamboo durability, and then wayfinding in a porous plan, and the last one is landscape and water maintenance. The proposed solution here includes bore treatment and splash protection for bamboo material, color or texture cues, and tactile pavers for wayfinding, and then simple operation and maintenance where rainwater catchment supports planting with pruning and dry season watering. And for the most impactful part, how do we turn this prototype into a policy? We can keep it integrated and affordable, where we let the form do the work by implementing cross ventilation, deep sun shading, natural skylight, rainwater catchment, and local materials, with clear co-benefit, which include cooler interiors with lower electricity bill. Then we make it a policy. We set the rules, share open details, and then train local builders, and so we can reward adopters, which can be fast permits and low incentive. This will produce a repeatable blueprint that keeps skill local and costs low. That's all for my presentation about building with climate, the art of passive design, taking Kampoong Guha as a study case. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.